Hello everyone, welcome to Ounuo Group. We have new generation leader Nonwoven bag and the cooling bag 2-in-1 function machines. Now follow my step, I will show you these newest machines.
This machine is U-shaped, length 8.2 meters, width 5.4 meters, height 2.7 meters. Total power is 50 kW. Feeding unit use double air cylinder system, automatic loading and unloading. Only need one worker can finish loading job. Use auto EPC system and auto tension control system. Use ultrasonic to welding back mouse. Feeding motor controlled by sensor. Realize speed synchronization with host. Let feeding more stable. Handle part. The photocell realized the automatic center of the handle. Improve back quality. Complete solve the waste problem caused by the deviation of the handle.
This machine is equipped with the indirect gluing function and the Z-type blade. Can reduce produce cost. Now let's see how is it working.
Indirect gluing part. This machine is equipped with the latest type of the indirect gluing functions. Gluing precision. Save 40% strip for each bag. Each 10,000 bags save around $15. Enhance market competitiveness. Auto punch unit can adjust the punch length from the monitor without manually. Back mouse part. Back mouse double photoelectric deviation correction station. Make sure the mouse of the bag is flat. Blade area use Z-type blade. Each 10,000 bags save around $15. Again, reduce produce cost. Forming part. Crown had auto adjust function. Let bag both sides keep same value. One-time forming process. Ultrasonic welding at both sides. Fold and collection unit. Equip the auto fold and collection unit. Get properly bag and counting precision. Our machine is your perfect choice.
What are you waiting for? Call me and order your machine right now.